Do you like to cook food?
Just like to eat food.
Hello everyone.
Hi.
What's your name, guys?
My name is Bhavna.
My name is Kritika.
My name is Sakshi.
Okay. And what's your hobby?
My hobby is traveling to hill station and reading book like biographies.
My hobby is reading book and playing table tennis.
Table tennis also. Okay, that's great.
My hobby is to just read the book.
Okay. And where are you from?
I am from Uttarakhand.
I'm from UP.
I'm from UP.
And where are you from?
I'm from Haryana.
Tell about yourself.
Okay, first of all, my name is Sakshi Sharma and I live in Delhi and I'm from Haryana. I belong to a I have a joint family and there are 9 members in my family. And you can also tell me.
I have also a joint family of 10 members.
I have a nuclear family of 4 members.
Same. We are four brother and sister, and mom and dad.
Okay. What you want to become?
I want to become a doctor.
And what about you?
I want to clear UPSC.
Okay.
I want to become a teacher.
About you?
I also want to become a teacher and I want to become an English teacher.
I have also prepared for railway.
What's your dream?
My dream is to feel proud on me, my parents.
And in which type of a person did you like?
I like that type of person who are good in nature, behave. And what type of person you like?
I like that person who always improve me, and I have a friend, true friend.
Okay.
And
I like a person that have a good nature
Okay.
and who always makes me mark my mistake and make me correct. That's it.
I like the person who understands me.
Understand. You can ask something to me.
What do you like to do in spare time?
I like to listen music and reading books. At this time, I read a novel. That's a Gulliver Travel
Oh, that's great.
to improve my English.
Or there is any novel you like to read in your spare of time?
What? I'm not able to understand you.
Is there any novel? Do you
No,
like to
there is
read in
only
your spare
a
of
Gulliver Travel that I.
Okay.
tell me about your favorite things, place.
My favorite place is Manali. And I want to go Switzerland. Yours?
I wish to go out of my country and travel the whole world.
But I don't. And
You like to doing study.
yeah, just so much study.
Which is your favorite subject?
Science,
Why?
because I am interested in science and become a doctor.
Okay.
In which class do you read?
10th class.
Oh,
So why you think to learn English?
Because my elder brother offered me to join this class, and I also wanted to be a great speaker. And Sagar sir told us, if you want to be a great speaker, then you should be a great listener. And I'm working on this topic, and I also wanted to ask this question to you.
I want to learn spoke well, so I joined this class.
Did anyone advise you about this?
No. But my father said.
my friend advised me to join this class and her name is Kalina.
I I want to join this course because I want to improve my English and want to speak fluently.
Is there any person that you pamper?
Is there? There is no one. I'm sorry. There is a Sagar sir who pampers us a lot.
And in whom?
He is my father. Have you ever met any famous personality? No. Have you ever met any famous personality?
No one.
You also can ask to you.
In which, what is your school name?
SKV Vespadi
What's the full form of it?
Sarvodaya Kanya Vidyalaya.
What are you doing nowadays?
As I joined this English this tuition, and I also went other tuition for 10th class, preparing 10th class, and after that I will join another English course because I wanted to be like my elder brother Vivek. And as he speak English, I like that. I was shocked that when I listen his English, and I wanted to be like him.
That's why you joined this.
Yeah, it is also the reason.
Do you like to cook food?
Just like to eat food.
Yes, I like to cook food.
Have you ever make any dish for your family?
Yes, dhokla.
Dhokla. Okay.
I don't like food to eat and also cook.
What?
But it is the need of the body, so I can.
And you?
Have you ever cooked the food?
No, I never cook the food because it's hard nut crack to me. And I'm not able to cook anymore.
Are you interested in another subject like dance, singing, and all?
Yes, I'm interested to in making reels.
So you make reels?
Yes, I of course make it.
Did you ever
How much
post it?
videos you?
And there are so many videos that I make, but I'm not post it in any social media
Why?
because my family is not allow me.
Okay.
Did you like to sing or dance?
I like to dance.
I like to sing.
And what about you?
I like to dance.
Okay.